Hi guys, we're going to start an interview with a very well-established interior designer from Chennai. Her name is Sujata Balachandar and has been working in the field for about 22 years. So, hi Sujata, how are you doing?
Hi.
Right. So, Sujata, why don't you tell us about whether this entire concept of aesthetics is finally grown to be loved by a lot of people, and whether interior designing is finally gaining excessive popularity right now.
Yes, compared to what it was about 20 years back, now people have started to, even if it's a small place, they would like to have a very nice, elegantly planned, and utility oriented houses. And before it was just doing up wardrobes was considered as interior designing. Now people have understood the concept of interior design, and they start at the very initial stage. They call us and they try to get the best, make best use of us.
Right. So, how would you say that this the field is growing?
As I told you, people never considered interior design as part of homemaking.
Right. So, but now it's not restricted to just homemaking, right?
No, it is not. People have known as I told you, they've understood the concept of interiors, how to make best use of the space available. And now, with the real estate being so expensive in Chennai, even if it's a small place, they want to get the best space utilization.
Right. So, can you tell us about some famous projects you worked on?
I worked with Sundaram Group for their offices, branches all over Tamil Nadu. I worked with some independent companies like Dure India, who make these car paints, and some IT firms like Tycon Solutions and Arrowpoint Technologies.
Right. So, what is the most current? What is currently trending in the entire scene right now?
Residential projects, people will want to have very contemporary, straight line, easy maintenance homes.
Right.
Because of both husband and wife working these days, so the less time they want to have for maintenance of the house. Offices has always been very utility oriented for a very long time. So offices there isn't much change, but residential, yes.
Right. Thank you so much for being part of this broadcast.
Thank you.